This is Jose with eXp Realty. I want to talk to you today about probate and in particular real estate and business interests. This comes up when, in addition to maybe your primary residence or the primary residence is someone passed away, they may have a business interest. They may have a restaurant and they own the building as well as the business. Maybe they have a garage, they're mechanics, or some other business where real estate is involved and entangled with the business itself. This can create some additional hurdles that they have to look into when it comes to distributing the inheritance to the heirs. The heirs may be perfectly fine continuing to own the business and run it jointly. Maybe one of them doesn't want to run the business and wants just his fair share of the inheritance. Maybe there's an issue with determining the value of the business. Maybe there's employee-related issues that need to be resolved as part of the estate planning process. If there were, who knows, if there was some kind of commitment from the individual who passed away to the employees, and that needed to be upheld. This can get complicated very quickly, and this is definitely an area where you need the advice of a legal and or tax professional in order to make sure that everything is handled appropriately and that everyone gets their fair share. And if you are in this situation where you own a business and in the future that business potentially could pass the heirs, you definitely want to talk to a tax or legal professional to understand all the ramifications of your decisions and to make an estate plan that takes this into account so that things can transition as smoothly as possible. It is the kindest thing you can do to your heirs. If you have any questions, you want to reach out to some professionals, scan the QR code. I'll do my best to get you in touch. And feel free to call me with any questions. As I've said in other videos, I am a real estate professional. I will help sell the real estate properties. I have peers that are tax legal professionals, and they stay in their respective lane of expertise. So look forward to talking with you and enjoy this beautiful day.